Hello, and welcome to Skyverse Fiber over Ethernet Basics mini-series. My name is Barnabás Botlik, Skyverse Staff Applications Engineer, and today I will give you a quick introduction about PoE standards. What is Power over Ethernet? This technology allows you to transfer power through the Ethernet cable to power up your end device without having an additional cable to be installed. As PoE voltage classifies as safety extra low voltage, or SELV in short, it does not require a technician to be installed. The basic characteristics of the PoE devices and functionalities are summarized in the IEEE 802.3 standard, which already has 3 generations: the AF, the AT, and the BT variants. These standards define the required characteristics, functionality, state diagrams, timings, limits, and electrical specifications for both the power sourcing equipment, or so-called PSEs, and the power devices, in short PDs. It is important to mention that the standards are backward compatible, which means you can use any generation of an IEEE compliant PSE or PD device with each other. Here, we are going to give you a quick introduction about the information that you can find in this document. The oldest generation of the standard, the IEEE 802.3 AF, limits the maximum power to 15.4 watts. The subsequent generation doubled it to 30 watts, while the newest BT version already allows 90 watts power through the Ethernet cable. The devices are assigned to classes based on their requested power consumption, while the standard limits the length of the cabling to a maximum of 100 meters between the segments. Therefore, the allowable power highly depends on the distance between devices and the assigned class. The figure shows the available power at both sides when maximum cabling is assumed. Here, a quick introduction is given about the main aspects and parameters of the standards. PoE is an analog communication between two devices, which means certain voltage is applied by the PSE to the rail, while the PD reacts with a predefined current level. The PoE communication consists of the following stages. The first stage is called detection, and it helps to mutually identify the PoE-capable devices. Classification allows PSEs to classify the connected PDs based on their power budget. It also helps source devices to set the current and time limits to mitigate the effect of overcurrent scenarios. Both autoclass and connection check are IEEE 802.3 BT-specific functions. Autoclass helps to refine the power budget further and allows better power management, while connection check aids to differentiate between single-signature and dual-signature devices. The so-called inrush period is responsible to ensure gradual increase of the input current to avoid high current peaks and therefore protect the input capacitors. In the on stage, it is necessary to monitor the device's current consumption continuously and disconnect it if necessary. Any transient that happens during the on state also needs to be monitored and handled based on the standard directives. Power removal can happen due to 2 reasons: overcurrent condition and too low power consumption. Overcurrent limits and minimum power consumption are very well defined in the standard. Certain PoE devices offer a so-called maintain power signature, or MPS feature, which helps to indicate to the PSE to keep the connection even with low power consumption. You can find detailed information about the individual stages in our video series. Check them out. This table gives a quick overview about the main parameters and stages which are defined by the standard. For detailed information, please refer to the corresponding section of the above-mentioned standard. I hope you became a bit more familiar with the IEEE 802.3 Power over Ethernet standards. For further information, please visit skyversing.com. Thank you and have a good day.